In this video, I'm going over everything which I have noticed around the Prodigy arena. Hey, what's going on everyone? Guys, it is me, your viable source of information, one Dr. Genius. Alright guys, so let's start off with the most obvious things. There are 3 tiers. Each tier has 3 different ranks. You all start off from Bronze 3, which is the lowest rank, and keep on going up to Bronze 1. Once you're at Bronze 1, you start at Silver and then go to Silver 1, then Gold 3 and Gold 1. So now that's quickly how the season works. Now the season's name is the Arc of Light, and it ends in 129 days. Now a thing which you guys didn't notice is that on the leaderboard over here, this leaderboard shows us the top players in the Bronze 3 arena. Right guys? These people are the top players in the Bronze 3 arena. Now in terms of top players, it basically shows you guys the top players around your rank. Basically this will always include your rank, so you guys will always be on the board over here. Now the next thing you guys might be wondering is, what's up with these things over here? Well, basically here's the thing about this, right? You guys want to set up your rank so you guys can defend while you're offline. What do I mean by that? Well, if you guys go to battle and find opponents, what you guys will notice is that none of these opponents are actually battling you. If you notice their battling behavior, you can tell that they're easily robots. And because they're robots, you guys know what that means. Well, they're obviously not real, and cause they're obviously not real, you guys know that, well, robots are going to be fighting against us with the armory which is equipped here. So you guys basically want to make sure you have the best armory equipped, and you guys want to keep on making sure that you keep on healing yourself. Now of course you guys want to have multiple sets, like one which you guys use in battle to finish off opponents quickly, and then ones which you use to like just, you know, defend against people. Now right now I think I'm going to switch this around over here actually, like... Yeah, so in these sets, you guys kind of see what kind of idea I'm going for. Basically, you guys want to make sure that your set will be able to defend off against a higher ranking opponent. Right, so now what I'm going to do is I think I'm going to go for the safe option and go for this one in this battle because our opponent does like 120 additional % off their damage. So yeah, let's go into this battle. Now of course, it happens to be that since they're robots, you guys have the tactical advantage because you guys can outsmart them. But here's the thing, these robots heal so much, it will make you scream, right? These robots heal every 5 seconds. Alright, so sometimes if you end up in a battle, these robots can heal like 50 times in a row. Now what I'm thinking over here is that these robots are collectively like using machine learning and hopefully learning off players' moves and abilities, like what the player uses. But as you guys can see, it gets super annoying after some time, and their health is already below half, so I think I'll win easily. But right, that's one of the things, your opponents aren't really real, they're bots. And another thing which is good from this arena season is, well, you guys know, we're fighting bots. Because we're fighting robots, what happens to be is that we also get the full stars for that. What do I mean by that? What I mean is we get the full amount of XP you'd get for a normal monster battle against 3 person. Sure, this battle might take a little bit longer, but we still get the same amount of experience. So I guess in a way you guys can level up your pets while going up in the arena, so I'd consider this a huge win-win. Alright guys, so obviously over here you guys can tell that this is a bot, because no player would not have healed them during that time. But of course guys, don't underestimate bots because they can absolutely destroy you, right? Now over here you guys can see this bot did a lot of damage. I mean, my Solemn Dash is almost dead. So you guys know, you probably want a team comp which can stand high damaging people, like you want a lot of shields or a lot of health for that. Yeah, so you guys just have to keep in mind that your opponents can actually do a lot of damage in a single attack. Right now, if you have a lot of health and a lot of shields, that won't do much damage, but you guys still need to be careful. So yeah, you guys can tell basically shields are the play in this battle if you guys want to win, and sometimes you guys may even need to use potions in order to deal additional damage, right? Now over here, of course, this guy's probably going to be very hard to defeat because he has like 5,000 different healing spells on. So yeah, it seems like that our Tarragon over here actually had a lot of different healing spells on, so he was able to survive while our Solemn Dash died. So now, of course, you might be wondering, why am I using Tarragon? Well, these are some of the best pets you guys can use in the arena, right? I see what I mean by how annoying this can get. As you guys can see, some of these robots might want to heal so much that it will make you angry. Right, so now I don't know what Prodigy is thinking while allowing people to heal in the arena, but it gets extraordinarily annoying and can lengthen out battles which don't need to be 5 hours long, because if someone has enough food, they can make a 5,000 hour long battle. As you guys can see, I'm pretty pissed off with this monster healing itself every goddamn time it got to 5,000 health. I mean, this battle could have been over minutes ago, but no! This monster needs to keep on healing! So yeah, there's basically my opinion. You guys need to make sure you guys can handle opponents who might keep on healing, because Prodigy's automated system decides, you know what, heal. Keep on healing. So yeah, it can get quite enraging sometimes. So make sure you guys have the right amount of health, make sure you guys have at least a shield on, or before going into battle you guys equip the right suits. And if you guys don't have enough stuff, well, the main thing I'd recommend is you need critical chance increase and critical damage bonuses, right? You can also get damage bonuses and shields along with health. I don't think that the elemental type additional damage will do much for you, so there's that. But yeah, but basically, while going against your opponent, you guys need to look at their things, which is equip, and see which one do I use. Right now, over here, you guys can see this is basically ranked by who has the highest rank, and sometimes I just tend to go for the lowest people, but if you find someone who is weaker, well then you can go for them. In this case, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go with my wizard annihilating them. But another thing which you guys need to do is you need to set it up so that you guys will be able to defend off when you're offline. Like, you guys need to just make sure that your defense can work while you're offline. You guys, just want to make sure that that works. Now, basically, it's up to you whether or not you want the critical chance thing or not, but if you guys get lucky and you guys get critical chances, well, then that's good for you. So right now, you guys can see I'm basically using set 3 to defense and set 2 and 1 to, basically attack. Although I do believe I should move my Solemn Dash in front. No. We'll see about that. I'm trying to level up my Chergon because you guys can tell it's a very low level. And another thing which I would recommend, guys, is using low level ruins is definitely a no-no. If you guys don't want to lose every single battle, use the highest level ruins possible, alright guys? So yeah, now that's another thing. Now what I do believe is that the highest cap that this arena has is 45,000. It's 40,000, right? Yeah. Yeah, the highest rank you guys can get in this arena is 45,000 actually. Now let's divide that. And you guys can see, if you keep on non-stop winning battles, you guys will need to do about 300 battles to reach the end of the season. And luckily this lasts for 129 days. So you guys will need to do at least 3 battles a day non-stop and need to keep on winning even while you're AFK. And also you guys can tell this looks absolutely stunning. Now of course I don't believe you'll be able to learn any new spells from this, but you guys will see that you guys are getting closer to reaching the next rank. And now you guys might be wondering, well, how do I lose the battle? Well, number 1, you can lose the battle while fighting against a robot, or number 2, when you go offline, what happens is that your human, your robot is basically available for fighting in the arena, except instead of you, it's an AFK, or it's a robot which is programmed by Prodigy. So that's why I kind of find this arena rigged, because sometimes your robot is absolute garbage and will make you lose a lot. Right now, of course, I'm playing with the Solemn Dash over here because I do believe this is effective and they're good pets, so yeah. That's basically everything I know and all of the information I've been able to gather up on the arena as far. Right now I am talking to more Prodigy YouTubers to figure out what are the best effective tactics, because you guys know this literally just came in. So yeah, we'll be finding that out, and now I hope you guys find this video somewhat helpful and figured out why opponents are acting weird, because they're not opponents, they're actual robots. So I guess this is good if you guys want to trophy push and level up your pets, because it's a 2-in-1, am I right? 2-in-1 people, so yeah, let's do that. And yeah, I'll be catching you all next time when Dr. Genius is gonna try beating Prodigy Math Pro, because I've decided I shall be the first to gold out of the Prodigy YouTubers.